go.
우리 내일 와요.
It's like some kind of shock.
Yeah.
And we, give our trauma, we get